Created by Iqbal Hussain, Associated Professor. A noun is a naming word. It can be the name of a thing, place, person, animal or feeling. Examples of nouns: naming people, it could be a name of any person, for example, John, Fatima, Tariq, Michael and so on. Naming places, it could be a name of any place, for example, America, China, church, Taj Mahal, Paris and so on. Naming things are like car, hat, bottle, table, chair, ball and so on. Naming animals: dog, rabbit, elephant, chicken, horse. Naming feeling: qualities, ideas, joy, fear, beauty, strength, anger. I live in Australia. Jenny is my sister. I love to play with my dog. The name of this monkey is Boo. Pacific Ocean is very vast. Types of nouns: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, possessive noun, number noun, compound noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, masculine noun, feminine noun. Proper noun, names of people or places. For example, your friend's name, your parents' name or the name of your country are special naming words. These words are called proper nouns. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. My name is Iqbal Hussain. Come Mara, let us go for a walk. Proper nouns: the days of the week and the months of the year are proper nouns. Example sentences: every Sunday Mike visits the church. Christmas comes in the month of December. My sister was born in March month. The names of festivals and some special days are proper nouns. Example sentences: Eid is my favorite festival. We will celebrate New Year's Eve. The names of buildings, mountains, rivers and seas are also proper nouns. Example sentences: I have seen the Great Wall of China. River Nile is very long. Common noun: common nouns are naming words that are common to people, places, things and animals etc. Common nouns do not define any particular person, place or thing. They are general names. So, they are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence. For example, boy, girl, doctor, town, city, dog, car and so on. Example sentences of common noun: teachers teach in school. Birds live on trees. I love to read storybooks. Find the proper nouns and common nouns in the list of sentences below. Sony produces cameras too. Alicia and Kathy were playing with a doll. Sandy is joining school today. Collective noun: collective nouns are used to name a group of persons, places, animals or things. A collective noun represents a complete whole. For examples, a library of books, a team of players and a family of 4. Some collective nouns are used to name a group of animals and birds. A flock of sheep. A herd of cattle. A stud of horses. A gaggle of geese. A litter of cubs. A flock of birds. A shoal of fish. A pack of wolves. A swarm of bees. Some collective nouns define a group of people. A crew of sailors. An army of soldiers. A band of musicians. A class of pupils. A troupe of actors. A panel of judges. A gang of robbers. There are some collective nouns that stand for a group of things. A bunch of keys. A pile of clothes. A collection of books. A string of pearls. A set of stamps. A galaxy of stars. A pack of cards. An atlas of maps. A bouquet of flowers. A bunch of grapes. Example sentences of collective noun: my maternal aunt bought me a pair of tennis shoes. At the playground, you get to observe a colony of ants. A pile of clothes was kept on the bed. I need to finish an agenda of tasks before I leave. There is a network of computers in Joseph's office. Possessive noun: it is a noun that who owns something. We add an apostrophe and s to form the possessive of most singular nouns. For example, this is Bob's skateboard. Means, the skateboard belongs to Bob. This is Ian's coat. Means, the coat belongs to Ian. Papa bought a new frame for Grandpa's spectacles. Ted's dream for a bicycle came true on his birthday. Julia's homework was not checked. Sometimes we need to show possession for plural nouns or where the owners are more than one. In such cases we add an apostrophe at the end. A girls' school is located near my house. We should not harm the birds' nests. Number noun: number nouns denote one or many. There are 2 kinds of number nouns. Singular number noun: it stands for one person, animal, thing or place. Plural number noun: it stands for more than one person, animal, thing or place. For example, 1 toy, 3 balls, 2 dogs, 5 cars, 9 planets and so on. Generally, by adding a s at the end, we can change a singular noun to a plural noun. There are different rules we follow to change a singular noun to a plural noun. Rule 1. When a singular noun ends with a y after a consonant, we remove the y and add ies. For example, city, cities. Lady, ladies. Story, stories. Consonants are all other letters except vowels a, e, I, o, u. Rule 2. If there is vowel before y, just add s to form its plural. For example, boy, boys. Day, days. Trolley, trolleys. Toy, toys. Rule 3. When a singular noun ends with o after a vowel, add s to make it a plural noun. For example, bamboo, bamboos. Radio, radios. Video, videos. Rule 4. When a singular noun ends with o after a consonant, we add s to make it a plural noun. For example, tomato, tomatoes. Volcano, volcanoes. Hero, heroes. It is also possible that for few nouns ending with o preceded by a consonant, we add the letter s to form their plurals. For example, piano, pianos. Photo, photos. Rule 5. If a singular noun ends with a sound like s such as s's, sh, ch, x, z, tch, we add s to make it plural. For example, box, boxes. Watch, watches. Dress, dresses. Quiz, quizzes. Rule 6. If a singular noun ends with f or fe, change the f into v and add s to make it plural. For example, life, lives. Calf, calves. Loaf, loaves. Knife, knives. Irregular plural, plurals of some nouns remains the same. For example, fish, fish. Deer, deer. Cattle, cattle. Sheep, sheep. Bison, bison. Plural of some nouns are totally different from their singular form. For example, mouse, mice. Ox, oxen. Cactus, cacti. Child, children. Man, men. Some nouns are always plural like pants, jeans, shorts, tongs, scissors, hair and sunglasses. Compound nouns are formed by joining two nouns together. There are 3 different ways to form compound nouns. The closed form, like notebook, firefly and keyboard. The hyphenated form, like X-ray, copilot and mother-in-law. The open form, like post office, history book, mineral water. Example sentences of compound noun: Ian looked at his timetable. It was going to be lunchtime. The basketball match was scheduled in the afternoon. Just after the breakfast, Matt rushed to his tracksuit. X-rays were discovered by Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen. Countable noun: nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns. Most of the nouns come in the category of countable nouns rather than uncountable nouns because they refer to things, people or animals that can be counted. Example sentences of countable noun: I saw 2 owls sitting on the tree. There are 4 milk bottles in the fridge. My father has 2 cars. I need an umbrella to get out in the rain. To make this cake we need an egg. Note, we use the for some singular nouns which are unique, one of their kind. For example, the earth, the sun, the moon, etc. Uncountable noun: nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns, also known as mass noun. We cannot count certain things in numbers such as milk, rain, sugar, water, jam. We have to use words like a glass of milk, a jar of sugar, a jug of water or a bottle of jam. We can use terms like a little, plenty or a bowl of with uncountable nouns. Though these nouns can be measured, they cannot be counted. Such nouns do not have a singular or plural form. The noun, gender noun words can be divided into masculine and feminine. Masculine nouns represent males, boys, men and male animals. For example, prince, man, king, boy, cock, lion, etc. Feminine nouns represent females, girls, women and female animals. For example, princess, woman, queen, girl, hen, lioness, etc. There are some nouns that represent both males and females. For example, children, artists, principals, teachers, singers, lawyers, etc. Thank you.